Jonas will automatically perform year-end closing entries of profit and loss accounts at fiscal year end. Net profit or loss will be recorded to the retained earnings account on the first day of the new fiscal year. Year-end and closing entries in Jonas will look at your company profile to determine the fiscal year end, the retained earnings account, and the profit and loss accounts. To validate the net income/loss amount posted to the retained earnings, you can run a trial balance report for your year end. To run a trial balance report, navigate to General Ledger, Reports, and Trial Balance Reports. This will allow you to review closing balance debits and credits of all the profit and loss accounts. Select the year end for the period. For the type of report, select Year-End Closing Entry. Adjust the additional report settings as required, then print or export. When viewing the report, confirm that it is balanced. The totals for debits and credits will be at the bottom of the report, followed by End of Report if the trial balance balances. If there is no end of report, then the report has not balanced and there will be a page following it that contains information on how to possibly discover where the issue resides. Any net income loss will be shown at the bottom of the report. This net income loss should match the amount posted to retain earnings on the first day of the new fiscal year. If an imbalance is found and the accounts are identified, it can be fixed with a journal entry or by our support team if needed. If the report is unbalanced, you can use the following menu items to find where there is an imbalance. If you maintain two retained earnings accounts, one for current year and one that is cumulative year over year, you will now need to make a journal entry to clear down the current year account and add that to the cumulative account. To do so, navigate to General Ledger, Processing, and Journal Entries. Set the date of record to year end, and select the applicable journal. Then click OK. Within the account distribution screen, enter the posting details. When the entry is complete, press F4 or Escape on your keyboard, or press the red X. Then click OK. And select one of the options, which can include to preview or post. This will clear down the year-to-date retained earnings to 0 and add that year's profit or loss to the cumulative retained earnings. Here are a few other things to consider. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.